How to open student bank account in Lloyds Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to open the student bank account provided by Lloyds Bank, here is an easy tutorial. First of all, open any of your browser and search for student current account in Lloyds Bank. This will open this site whereby you can compare and see why student account is beneficial. Once you have chosen the correct account option by the student bank account, click on ready to go. Now you can either download the app or continue on the website. It will take you to another page. If you are an existing Lloyds customer, click on yes or no. However, the student account is only available for people who have been in UK for more than 3 years. Then select if you are a full-time student and you have applied to UCAS. Now you can check all the details and tap on continue. On the next page, you have to give your details regarding name, personal information, country of birth, and other asked details. Once this is done, it will send you a verification code that needs to be verified. And once that is done, your account is good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.